Okay, guys, it's just about the middle of November. I thought I'd do a little update on all the birds and what they're up to. That's the young tom turkey showing off. There they are, hanging out, relaxing. Yeah, thanks, buddy. I just threw a handful of rice in here, give them something to do. As you can see, it's a bit of a mixed bag on animals, different species, many different colored chickens, and lots of different age groups. There's one of the younger ones. That's the barred rock with the mutton chops. I do think that looks really cool. All this black stuff on the ground here, this is the roots of the plants I pulled out of the lake. I bring them up here and let the chickens eat the green part. A little bit of sunbathing. That's noisy. There's Mama and her babies. She's molting, so she looks really tiny, really funny looking. The 3 top chicks are hers. They're the ones she hatched out. And then we got the babies of many colors. I bought four from the market. And she adopted them as her own. They're 1 or 2 days older than hers, than their 3 little ones. But they've been raised together, which is pretty cool. Oh, I missed that. I'm trying to sit on Mom's back. Over here we have another mom. This is the one who hatched out the chickens in the garden. She was in a turmeric bed. She's got 6 little babies. They're a week younger than the other group. It took a lot of convincing to get her to come back in here. She was liking life in the garden. Here are the turkeys. This black turkey is actually sitting on eggs right now, on duck eggs. It's the first time she's been out for a few days. And that's the old Tom. He's got an infection in his eye. And Junior Tom showing off. And I don't know, I haven't done a video on the ducks, I don't think. I got 4 Muscovy ducks. That's the male. He's a big fellow now, I'll tell you that. Really long. This is a young female. She hasn't laid any eggs yet. And the one over here with the black on her back, she's laying right now. Inside the chicken house, there's 3 duck eggs. I decided whatever she lays from now on, I'll let her keep. And hiding here in the corner, there's a black duck. Well, it's a Muscovy, but really dark feathers. They're hard to see, girl. She's sitting on 10 eggs. Ducks make a really nice nest. Not like the chickens and the turkey where they're happy with a hole in the ground. They make a real nice nest and put feathers in it. Do it out the way a nest should be. When I was in there earlier, this turkey, the one from the nest, was kicking the hell out of the rooster, jumping on him. I don't know what the rooster did, but he wasn't happy. Or she wasn't happy. There's Noisy. And for those who didn't see the goat video, which would be the last video, I'll show you the new additions. Don't run away, stay there. That's the little boy, the dark one. This is a female. Wait, go back inside. That's a female, hiding under there. And in with the goats is another turkey, sitting on turkey eggs. She's got 2 eggs. I'm going to give her some chicken eggs. I'm going to time it so they hatch about the same time. Turkey eggs take 28 days and chicken eggs take 21. Although with my experience, anytime turkeys sit on chicken eggs, they come out 2 days early. A day and a half to 2 days early. Every time. I don't know what the reason is for that, but... What are you doing? I do like the look of this little one. It's got real cool colors. Really not sure how this happened. A white chicken among all the black ones. She shows no sign of being a barred rock at all. And I used to have a white chicken, so that might have been her mother. But Dad's going to be that noisy thing. Be a barred rock. She came out almost perfectly white. There you are. She's got a few little specks of dark in her. Almost makes her look dirty. Pretty sure it's female. And she's got a few feathers on her feet too. And none of my other chickens have that. There's Mom with her green baby. They're getting ugly now and they're starting to get their new feathers. There's the turkey going back to her nest. She's got her nest there in the corner. Say hi, Mama. Those beady little eyes. She's still got a ways to go. Duck eggs take 35 days apparently, so that's a long time, especially compared to a chicken.